Chapter 11 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk delves deeper into the operation and consequences of Tyler Durden's ambitious endeavors. By this point in the narrative, Tyler and the narrator have managed to turn the Paper Street Soap Company into a profitable venture. They sell their homemade soap at an astounding retail price of $20 per bar, a significant accomplishment given the product's humble, albeit morbid, origins. The success of the soap operation, however, comes with its own set of complications. The chapter opens with Tyler and the narrator sitting in a cheap car in a used car lot, effectively in hiding due to the fallout from a particularly unethical aspect of their soap-making process. This moral controversy involves Marla Singer, a complex and pivotal character in the novel. The revelation that catalyzes the dramatic events of Chapter 11 is Marla's discovery of how her mother's liposuction fat is being used. Unbeknownst to Marla, Tyler has been intercepting fat intended for her, not for any medical purpose, but rather to serve as a key ingredient in their high-end soap. Tyler's manipulation extends to diverting Marla's mail and misleading her mother with a gift of chocolates. This fraudulent operation is exposed under comically grotesque circumstances when Marla, attempting to store a bag of her mother's liposuction fat at their home, accidentally spills it. The subsequent struggle prevents her from opening the freezer, but when she finally does, the horrible truth comes to light. This chapter not only highlights the lengths to which Tyler and the narrator are willing to go to sustain their soap business, but also underscores the ethical boundaries they're willing to cross. The incident with Marla and her mother's fat is a pivotal moment that illustrates the deeper moral and existential conflicts at play within the narrative. The realization of their actions leads to a temporary exile from their home as they anticipate Marla's reaction to their grotesque breach of trust and privacy. In essence, Chapter 11 serves as a crucial turning point in Fight Club. It showcases the increasingly dubious morality of Tyler and the narrator's endeavors, setting the stage for further developments in their twisted journey. The chapter encapsulates the themes of consumerism, identity, and rebellion against societal norms that are central to the novel, all while deepening the conflict with Marla, which is integral to the protagonist's chaotic descent. That's all for today. If you like this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.